Hello students. So today we will be discussing a quiz on Venn diagram. So आज हम लोग यहाँ पर एक क्विज करने वाले हैं किसके ऊपर, Venn diagram के ऊपर. So we will understand these questions and we will try to answer these questions. जैसे हमारे पास पहला क्वेश्चन है, some of the cricket players are tennis players, some tennis players are hockey players, but याद रखें no cricket player is hockey player. तो इसका मतलब कुछ ऐसे क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स हैं जो कि टेनिस प्लेयर्स भी हैं, कुछ ऐसे क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स हैं जो टेनिस प्लेयर्स भी हैं, और कुछ ऐसे टेनिस प्लेयर्स हैं जो कि हॉकी प्लेयर्स भी हैं, और ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि कोई भी क्रिकेट प्लेयर हॉकी प्लेयर नहीं होना चाहिए. इस हिसाब से हमारा कौन सा ऑप्शन यहाँ पर सही होगा? यहाँ पर हमारा जो ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड है, इस ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. आई होप आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द डायग्राम दैट बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंट्स द रिलेशनशिप अमंग द क्लासेस लैंग्वेज हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. अब यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें, यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि जो इंग्लिश है और ये जो हिंदी है, these both are languages. So English and Hindi both comes under the category of language. So we can draw a one circle which will show a language, and then smaller circle which will represent English, and one more smaller circle which will represent Hindi. So now the option which will suit here is this one. So यहाँ पर ऑप्शन कौन सा हो जाएगा? थर्ड ऑप्शन. आई होप आप लोग इसको समझ गए होंगे. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द डायग्राम दैट बेस्ट सूट्स दैट बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंट्स द रिलेशनशिप अमंग द गिवन क्लासेस. चलिए इसके ऊपर हम लोग इसके ऊपर बताइए. यहाँ पर हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे क्या, यहाँ पर वाटर, सॉल्ट और शुगर, इन तीनों का एक दूसरे से कोई संबंध नहीं है. सॉल्ट एक अलग आइडेंटिटी है, शुगर एक अलग आइडेंटिटी है, सॉल्ट एक अलग आइडेंटिटी है. तो इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन सही हो गया? इसमें से सेकंड ऑप्शन सही हो गया. यहाँ पर कौन सा ऑप्शन हमारा होगा? सेकंड ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अब अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई द रिलेशन दैट बेस्ट रिप्रेजेंट्स द रिलेशनशिप अमंग द गिवन क्लासेस पिजन, बर्ड्स एंड डॉग्स. अब यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे पिजन, बर्ड्स और डॉग्स. इसके ऊपर अब आप यहाँ पर दिमाग लगाइए और आंसर दीजिए. यहाँ पर क्या सही आंसर होगा? कम ऑन, पहले आप लोग एक बार खुद से ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिएगा, और जब आंसर्स ना बने उसके बाद ही आप इन स्लाइड्स को देखिए. ओके, सो अगेन नाउ इन दिस केस वी विल फाइंड दैट पिजन एंड बर्ड्स दे हैव अ रिलेशन विद ईच अदर, बट द डॉग्स डू नॉट हैव अ रिलेशन विद ईच अदर. मतलब अगर हम बात करें बर्ड्स की, तो बर्ड्स के अंतर्गत ही आएंगी पिजन्स, और अगर आप बात करो डॉग्स की, तो इनकी कैटेगरी एकदम अलग हो गई. तो ये हो गया, ये पिजन्स का हो गया, और ये आपके लिए डॉग्स का हो गया. सो यहाँ पर आपका कौन सा बेस्ट ऑप्शन सूटेबल होगा? यहाँ पर आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सूटेबल हो जाएगा, एंड हियर दिस वन विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. सो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. ओके, think, first of all pause the video, think, and then you can play the video and then you can answer. Now we can see here we have boys, girls and children. Now in this case we have boys, girls and children. We know this bigger circle will represent child, and the boys and girls, these both come under the circle of children. So boys and girls, these both will come under the circle of children. So the correct answer in this case will be the third option. So यहाँ पर आपका correct answer हो जाएगा third option. I hope all of you are getting this point. Okay, now the next question. Okay, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes employers, doctors and women's. Now we can see, understand this question very properly. If let us consider this is the circle of employers. Now there might be some employers who may be doctors, and even in the case of doctors there might be some doctors who might be some women as well as the employers. That means this circle could be like this. So in this case the third option is best suitable. So in this case the third option will be the best suitable. So this one is the correct answer. Third option is the correct answer. I hope you all are getting this point. Now the next question, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes table, chair and furniture. Now if we talk about table and chair, if we talk about a bigger circle, let it shows furniture, and the table and the chair, both these comes under this category of furniture. So table and chair both comes in the category of furniture. So the correct option will be the D option. I hope you all are getting this point. Okay, so the correct option will be the D option. Now the next question, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes: brinjal, meat, and then vegetables. Okay, now in this case we can use our general knowledge and we can say, in the case of vegetables, if we talk about vegetables, brinjal will come in the category of vegetables. But if we talk about meat, meat is different thing. So which one will be the correct answer? Third option will be the correct answer in this case. So this one will be the correct answer. Okay, now the next question, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes: bird, sparrow, and mice. Now in this question we can see, if it is a bird, if it is a bird, let's represent it with a circle. And now we can see sparrow. If it's a sparrow, it will definitely come under the category of bird, and this is sparrow. And if we have mice, mice is just mice have no relation with bird and sparrow, so we will keep it separate. So the best suitable option will be the second option. So the correct answer will be, in this case, will be the second option. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now the next one, question number 10, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes: mountains, forest, and earth. Now we can see that on on earth on earth on earth, mountains and forest, these both are found. Mountains and forest, these both are found. So the correct answer in this case will be the first option, and this first option will be the correct answer. Okay, now the next question, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes: lawyers, teachers, and educated. Now, use the common sense. If they are lawyers and teachers, then definitely they are educated. So let's draw one bigger circle of being educated. They are educated. Okay, there might be some lawyers. There might be some lawyers who can even be a teachers, and there can be some teachers who can be lawyers. So this could be the lawyers and this could be the teachers, but these both are educated ones. So the correct answer in this case will be the third option. The third option will be this one. So let's check this out. So third option is the correct answer. Now question number 12, identify the diagram the best representation the relationship among the given classes: dog, animals, and pets. Now in this case we talk about animals. Let's talk about animals. This one is, this circle shows animals. There can be some pet animals. There can be some pet animals, and even in this pet animals, there can be some dogs who are pet. It's not compulsory that all the dogs should be pet. Okay, so in this case the best suitable answer is this third one. So answer will be, so the correct answer is, answer number third one. Okay, now the next question. Okay, next. Okay, in a class there are 80 students who study both computer science and electronics, while 100 students study computer science and 120 students study electronics. Let's draw two circles. We have two circles here, and some are studying computer science and some even are studying electronics. The students who are studying both, there are 80 students who study both computer science as well as electronics. So I will write 80 over here. While 100 students study computer science, but there are 100 students in this computer science. So how many of the students are remaining? If we have already taken 80 inside this one, so how many are remaining? Definitely the remaining are 20. Then only it will be 100. And 120 students study in electronics. So already we have taken 80. So how many of the students are left? 40 are left. So what is the question being asking? How many of them study computer science only? Okay, how many of the students study computer science only? Only 20 students are there who will study computer science only. I hope you all understood this question. Now the next slide, identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes: cows, animals, and goats. Now again we can use the logic that if we draw one circle which is representing these are animals, then now in the case of animals we can also get cows as well as we can also get goats. So cows and goats both come under the category of animals. So the best suitable option is this first one. So this one is the correct answer. So answer in this case will be the first option. Okay, so the first option is the correct answer. Now the next slide. Identify the diagram that best represents the relationship among the given classes: building material, cement and wood. Now once again use the logic. If we talk about building material, now in this case cement as well as the wood, these both come under category of building material. So they have nothing to do with each other, but yes, they both come under the category of building material. So the best suitable option will be the B option, and the correct answer in this case will be the second option. So the answer will be the second option. I hope you all have understood. Okay, so here is the end of the slide. I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Okay, I hope you like it. Do subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Best wishes, Sri Ram Institute. Thank you once again.